I'm here today with my Sephora VIB appreciation sale haul. These are the things that I picked up from the sale. I only got a few things, and some of them were repurchases. Some of them were things that have been on my wish list for a while that I've really been wanting to try. So I wanted to share with you what I picked up. It's just, you know, a few things here and there. Not a whole lot. Didn't I get something else when I was in Sacramento? I can't remember. So if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Cassie. I hope you enjoyed this video. You decided to stay a while by hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up before you leave. Hit that notification bell, that way you're notified of any new videos. And let's just get into what I purchased. And yeah, I have a couple things on right now. The first is these are repurchases mainly for Ted and I. This is Ted. I got Ted hooked on these. These are the Jack Black Intense Therapy Lip Balms. I don't like the mint one. That's like their original. The mint, if you get it on your tongue, it starts to make your tongue feel weird, which maybe like, I don't know. I don't like it. But I got the black tea and blackberry, the shea butter, which is my favorite, the grapefruit and gingers for Ted, and then the lemon and shea butter, which is also one of my favorites. So I picked up a bunch of these. They're fairly inexpensive. They're our favorite chapsticks, so anytime there's a sale, I always buy a bunch. I also purchased more of the Shiseido facial cotton, which I have in my bathroom already. I did get this new Tatcha, the Pearl Underlight Eye Treatment. I've just been obsessed with the primer that I'm like, okay, Tatcha, I see you, I'm coming for you, and I want to try another one of your products. Now, I believe there are 3 shades. This one is Moonlight, which is, I think, the lightest shade. Packaging is obviously adorable. And I have yet to find a product from Tatcha that I don't like. And this is what it looks like. It's just like a slightly peachy toned, it doesn't have a scent, slightly peachy toned eye cream treatment. So it, you know, just seems to have like a little bit of a glow. So if you've tried this, let me know your thoughts. Is it worth it? I'm excited to try it. Anything that is hydrating or brightening for my under eyes, I'm all about. The box says it's an illuminating under eye treatment to hydrate and reduce the look of dark circles instantly and over time with lustrous Akoya pearl extract for concealer, optional eyes. And it's supposed to have anti-aging hydration for plump, refreshed appearance. Silk powder visibly smooths fine lines and wrinkles. It has no parabens, synthetic fragrances, mineral oil, sulfates, detergents, phthalates, urea, DEA, or TEA. So anyways, I'm excited to try that. With the baby on the way and being pregnant, I feel like I'm not getting much sleep anyways, so anything helps at this point. Another thing that I got, which you guys, I'm seriously so obsessed with this foundation. The Natasha Denona foundation, the Transform Matte, is my #1 foundation of life. If you haven't seen my video, I will leave a little info card so you guys can watch it. It's phenomenal. So I wanted to get a lighter shade for when I am more fair. So I got 23R Light Red because this one that I have is 40N Light Medium Neutral. But I'm pretty sure that the 40 in the other foundations that I own from Natasha Denona have a red undertone, and I like the way that it looks. So I got this one because they didn't have a light with a neutral undertone. So 23R Light is what I got. And I'm just very excited because that foundation is just everything, okay? I have purchased 2 of these. One of them I already returned because I didn't like it. It was the creamy lip stain, or maybe it's the matte lip stain from YSL in the shade number 7. The color was pretty, but honestly, I would put it on and within 5 minutes, it was completely gone from my lips. Like it looked like I had no lip product on. So I returned that. This one is in shade 417, and it is their Vinyl Cream Creamy Lip Stain. And so I hope that's not the same with this. They're expensive. They're like $37. But hopefully it has, you know, the typical YSL lip scent to it. But I hope that this stays on my lips. If you've tried these, let me know. But the first one that I got when I went into a Sephora store this weekend, I was not impressed when I tried it. So I returned it already. But I did pick that up. I also picked up this Marc Jacobs Pout liner in the shade Primrose again because I've gone through one and I really love this lip liner. It's a really nice lip liner. It's just a really nice pink. So I like that one, and so I picked up another one of those. And then I picked up more of these Sephora Gel Lip Liners. They're Rouge Gel Lip Liners. They're my favorite. So the colors I picked up were, this one's Rose Wine. Thought that would be really pretty. The Sinker Suede is like my go-to right now. This one is called Creme De La Creme. That one is just like a little bit more of a more muted pink. Then we have, what are you called? Rosewood. This is gonna be really pretty in the fall for more of that brownie lip color. It's right there. And then I picked up another Sinker Suede, and then this one is Nothing But Nude. And it's just a really pretty nude. So I love these, they're so good. The other one that I wear all the time, which is gonna be in my favorites, is the Nudist. It's what I have on right now. Underneath, like the Nudist is like a very nude. I have that on, and then I'm trying this new Tutti Frutti Comfort Lip Glaze in Grin and Bear It. So I love these. I definitely recommend picking them up whether there's a sale or not. They are very, very good lip liners, and they're not that expensive. I also picked up the Milk Makeup Flex Concealer in the shade Light because I've heard great things about it. Hope that this is a good shade. Finny. No, Finny. We're not going to be beeping that right now. So I got the concealer in the shade Light. I think that will be a great shade. I've heard great things about this Flex Concealer, so I'm excited to try that. I'm wearing this today on my eyes with this new Tutti Frutti collection. Honey Please is the glitter, but then I'm wearing this, the Natasha Denona Camel Palette, which you guys know I love the Natasha Denona foundation. I've had quite a few Natasha Denona palettes that I ended up selling on Mercari, but this one just kind of spoke to me, and I actually really, really love it. So I have all the colors on my eyes with the exception, actually, I have the 3 matte colors on my eyes, and I really, really like it. Very creamy and pigmented and blendable, so I really love that, and I definitely recommend picking up if you like those tones. And then the last thing I got from the sale is fragrances, because I've gone through a lot of fragrances lately. This one I tried a sample and really liked it. It is the Replica by the Fireplace. So if you like Marshmallow Fireside from the Bath & Body Works candles, you'd like this. It's kind of smoky, warm, just smells by the fireside, exactly what it says. It has burning wood and chestnut. It's a female or male scent, and I think it smells really good. It's kind of like a deeper, warmer scent, which I actually really like. And then this one, every time it shows up as like a sample option, I always pick it. It's the Nest Indigo fragrance. It's just one of my favorites. It smells so good. It's definitely pricey, so I wanted to wait till I had 20% off. The bottle is absolutely beautiful, and it smells so good. It's definitely got some sweetness to it, but it's just a really nice, light, but still sweet fragrance, but in a mature way, and I really like it. Now, this other one is obnoxious as hell. Like, first of all, here's the box. Juicy Couture fragrances tend to have like the most obnoxious, gaudy packaging, but I tried this as a sample as well from Sephora, and if you love the Lush Rose Argan Body Conditioner or the Rose Jam Bubble Bars from Lush, this smells like that in a perfume. It's the only perfume I've ever found that smells just like it. And so Ted went to go buy this for me actually for Mother's Day or anniversary, and they sold him this rosé one, which they're like, no, that's the right one. He's like, no, you know, it says Royal Rose. They're like, oh, it's the same thing. He's like, well, this says rosé, this says Royal Rose. I don't think they're the same. Needless to say, he still bought it because they told him that it was the same thing, and it was not the same thing at all. So the Royal Rose you can only get online, and it smells so good. There's only one size, which is crazy because it is expensive. I think it's $130 for this big one, but you do get, I think it's one, how big is this? How big are you? 3.4 fluid ounces. But if you love the Rose Argan Body Conditioner, or you love the Rose Jam from Lush and you've always wanted it in a perfume, this is it. I mean, it's so good. It's like rose, but then it has like that slight little like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's so good. And I'm not a rose person. I'm not a floral perfume kind of girl, This is so nice and so perfect. The bottle is so ugly to me, but the perfume is really good. Right, so that is all that I picked up for the Sephora VIB sale. What did you guys get? Let me know down in the comments below. Let me know some of your recommendations, because I think you can only use the online code once, which is such a bummer, and the rest you have to purchase in store. But what are you guys picking up? Let me know down in the comments below. I'd love your recommendations, and even if I can't get them this sale, maybe I'll pick them up for the Sephora VIB sale, which I think is in November. So yeah, I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!